Good evening, Jake here. So I had a pretty good day today, and today in film class we got to see our Foley exercises, and my group was the first one to show our Foley exercise, in which I played the old man, and oh man, I was dying. I was crying with laughter. So funny. Ugh. Oh, but now I have a headache, and I have a bit of a headache. Oh, no, I'm just so tired. And editing of today's vlog has been going very well. And I know it's probably kind of hard to get used to this new vlogging system for Jake's Great Vlog for my channel. So some of this vlog is pretty much me right now recapping and telling you guys about what my day was like, and yeah, that sort of thing. So here I am having breakfast. I can apparently control myself from a while ago. Don't believe me? Watch this. Hey. Smile. Like I always do. Take a bite of that yummy onion bagel. And wave. Good boy. Here's pretty much the rest of what went on in my day. Hope you enjoy. I know it's going to take a bit of a while to have to get used to this, well, maybe not. Yeah, sure, maybe it'll take a bit of a while. Hey, I already said that. Oh, whatever. I went back home just to drop off an umbrella I was carrying because I thought it was going to rain a little more, but it rained for like 30 minutes. Not less than that, it was like 10, 15. I think it was like 15 minutes. The rain, and I have to carry my umbrella around. It was so frustrating, especially with what had been going on for the past few days, and my frustration, and all that sort of stuff. Just a lot of negative things going on. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm going to go over to the mall. I'm then going to go over to the school. I'm looking at myself right through the, well, right on the webcam, and this is really nice quality. After class, my friend Elijah, who I've mentioned many times, or maybe not, but yeah, he is the person who was the director of the student film that we were working on, and of which some of you may have seen the behind the scenes video of the corpse. And after class, he gave me a ride. While we were on our way to my house, we got pulled over by a cop. Now, don't worry, everything's okay. We didn't get pulled over because we ran a red light or because we hit a car, or we hit somebody, or we, you know, flipped off somebody, or cut off someone, or just did something bad. No. This was because Elijah doesn't have a license plate on his, on the front of his car. Elijah also did not get a ticket. That's pretty much it. That's all the cop stopped him for. And now, either right now or tomorrow, Elijah is going to get a frontal license plate for his car. Good idea. That's pretty much my day. I'm going to wrap this vlog up for tonight. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like it if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my other vlog. Check out my good friend Mr. Kevin on his vlogging channel and his gaming channel. The links are both in the description below. Take care. Stay tuned for more vlogs. I'll see you guys later. And good night. What a lovely Friday.